Today I'm going to teach you how to sort pages and sections alphabetically in OneNote. This is a super useful feature when you're managing multiple notes and want to keep everything organized and easy to find. Let's jump right in and get your OneNote perfectly structured. First things first, open your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you click on the app, it should open directly to your most recently used notebook. If you need to switch to a different notebook, you can do that by clicking on the notebook drop-down at the top of your screen. Make sure you're working in the notebook where you want to sort your content. Once your notebook has loaded, let's talk about sorting pages alphabetically. The process for sorting pages is quite straightforward, and OneNote makes it really simple. Locate the notebook where you wish to sort your pages alphabetically. On the left side panel, you'll see a complete list of all your pages within the current section. This is where all your page management happens, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area. Now look at the top part of your page list on that left panel. You'll see a button labeled Sort. This is your key to organizing everything perfectly. Click on this sort function and a menu will appear presenting you with different sorting options. You'll notice you have 3 choices available: sort alphabetically, sort by date created, and sort by date modified. Each option serves a different purpose depending on how you prefer to organize your work. For alphabetical sorting, simply click on Alphabetically. As soon as you select this option, your pages will automatically rearrange themselves in alphabetical order from A to Z. This happens instantly, so you'll immediately see your pages reorganize on the left panel. This is particularly helpful if you have pages named after topics, projects, or any categorized information that benefits from alphabetical arrangement. Now, when it comes to sorting sections, OneNote doesn't offer an automatic alphabetical sort function for sections like it does for pages. If you want your sections organized alphabetically, you'll need to manually drag and drop them into the order you want. Simply click and hold on any section tab, then drag it to its proper alphabetical position. While this requires a bit more manual work, it gives you complete control over how your sections are arranged. And there you have it. Your OneNote pages are now sorted alphabetically, making it much easier to navigate through your notes and find exactly what you're looking for quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.